everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a new vanity that I picked up from Wayfair. If you're interested in seeing it, stay tuned. Channel, this is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new vanity that I picked up from Wayfair. Yes, Wayfair. Even though this is a budget-friendly channel, I still like nice things. And the thing about it is you have to know when to purchase and when to wait. So, I had been on the hunt for a vanity for a long time. When I first started using makeup, I just purchased this vanity off of Amazon, you know, just to have an area. And it really wasn't what I wanted, but you know, it was what I could afford at the time. So I picked it up for like $120 at the time, and it worked out good. But now I wanted to upcycle a little bit, and I saw this one on Wayfair. Yes, it's all glass, and I picked it up. And so the good thing about it is I was looking on my Fetch rewards and realized that Wayfair had a gift card on there too. So that was a total score. So I redeemed 25,000 points, which are equivalent to $25, to help me purchase this vanity desk, if you will. So the original price, at first it was $219, and then it went down to $209. Then it went back up to $219. So I was like, let me go ahead and order this before it goes up again. So I did pick it up when it was $219, and then they of course, you get free shipping with Wayfair, and then I used my $25 gift card from Fetch Rewards. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, I'll have a link in my description box, and you just download it. And all you do is scan your grocery receipts, your gas station receipts, drugstore receipts like Walgreens, CVS, any drugstore that sells food for points. And when you get so many points, you can redeem them for gift cards. I've gotten over $200 worth of gift cards using my Fetch Rewards. And I want to go ahead and thank all of you guys for downloading the app and using my code. And one thing that I've noticed when I do a video about Fetch Rewards, I have a few people that trickle in and they'll put their code in the comment section. And I think that is so rude. That is what you call spamming someone else's video. So those people are blocked from my channel, because that's not what you do. If you want someone to use your code, you make a video on your channel. Don't come to somebody else's channel and leave your code. So I just thought that was so rude. Like, I have Fetch Rewards, and if one of you guys are doing a video on Fetch Rewards, I'm not gonna leave my code in the comment section telling people to use my code when you made a video asking your supporters to use your code. How rude can you be? But anyway, just a little rant I just wanted to get out in case you're one of those people and you plan to leave your code. I'm just going to block you from my channel. So, I mean, if you want to miss all this good content, then that's on you. But that's what I just do. I just block them from my channel. So, thank you, YouTube, for having that feature. So, let's go ahead and finish this video. So, this is my little vanity area above. This is my little wall area above my vanity. Of course, you know I DIY'd these mirrored perfume bottles a while back. I got my inspiration from Dazzling Designs with Denise, and I'll link her video in the description box. And of course, this saying, home is where love resides and laughter never ends. This came from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna give you a little overview. I'll do a review on this Conair vanity mirror, lighted vanity mirror, LED lighted vanity mirror. In the future, I need to use it a little bit so I can give you a honest review. And I DIY'd this perfume bottle also using Dollar Tree items and some mirrors from Michael's that I already had. And this is a cute little ornament that I picked up at Hobby Lobby at the 66% off sale, so I just use it as decor on my vanity. And thank you, shout out to G Mod D for sending me this beautiful makeup brush holder. Love your fabulous self. I sure will. Thank you so much. And I'm going to link Miss G My D's channel. I love the way she decorated. I was so happy to hear her say she going, one of her goals for 2020 is do her event planning. Because I like, she decorates different. And it's pretty the way she decorates. She kind of goes out of the box like me. So that's why I like her channel. Love you, G Ma D. So I'm going to link her channel. And y'all go over and show her some love. Tell Mrs Vee sends her some love. And Dazzling Designs with Denise, y'all go over and show her some love also. And I DIY this vanity tray using all Dollar Tree items. Yes, yes, yes. So this is the actual desk. It is 46 inches long. Yes, it was a perfect fit for this space, as you can see. Won't he do it? Yes. He'll upgrade you when it's time, The main reason why I got this desk is for these large drawers. So, I picked up this organizer, too, from CVS. It was half off, $9.99, so it was $5. And then I had some additional coupons, so I paid like $1.80 for it. And I had a coupon for this Conair mirror, vanity mirror also. So, I had originally had this organizer on the top, and then I was like, that looks too cluttered. So, I said, let me see if it can fit in this drawer. And yes, it fits. Yes. So look at that cute detailing on those knobs. That's cute. They're similar to the knobs I have in my guest bathroom. And it also comes with this polishing cloth that I'm using. And it just says, I thought that was neat the way they did it. Thank you for your order. Enclosed, please find a polishing cloth for the use to clean the glass mirror or the residue from the fine oil used in production of the products. Please call if you have any questions. That's a great way to advertise for your business. And this drawer just has my palettes, some more things. So that's mainly what I got it for, the drawer, so you can hide some things. So that's it. I just wanted to stop by and show you guys my new vanity. Thank you. I like to, it's not about bragging about what you have. It's just showing that if you spend your money wisely, at some point you will be able to get the things that you really want. So that's why I do a lot of DIYs to save money on home decor. That way I can spend my money on items like this. So with all that being said, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Miss V, and you know I focus on helping you save money on everyday living essentials like groceries, gas, whatever. So we save money over here. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and share it with your family and friends. Hit that bell icon twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I'm presently in the process of going 2 days a week, a minimum of 2 days a week. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.